Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to write Google Ads ad copy that can attract more customer and increase your business sales. If you are a local business owners, this video will help to you write a high converting Google Ads copy. Let's get started. What is Google Ads ad copy? Firstly, we learn what is Google Ads ad copy. Google Ads ad copy a text to write you on your Google advertisement. Includes headline, description, and call to action. A good ad copy helps your ad get more clicks, attract the right customers, and increase conversion. A Google Ads ad copy has mainly three parts: headlines, description, and call to action. You can add up to 15 headlines. Each headlines can be 30 characters. Description, you can add 4 description and each description can be 90 characters. Always strong call to action like contact us today, get free consulting and book your service now. Here are some important tips. Use keywords in your headlines. Focus on customers' benefits. Add numbers and offers. Always use clear call to action. I hope this video helped you to understand Google Ads ad copy. Thanks for watching.